Moving on, All Manipur Bar Association Amba has demanded action against senior advocate Colin Golsalves for allegedly instigating violence in Manipur and for undermining the Manipur High Court. Senior advocate Colin Golsalves reportedly made remarks during a speech on International Women's Day 2024, which was organized by Kuki-Zo community at the Constitution Club of India in New Delhi. Condemning the statement of Golsalves, All Manipur Bar Association today took out a sit-in at Cherab Court Complex. Members of Amba were seen holding a banner that read, "Sit-in protest against the conduct of senior advocate Colin Golsalves, unbecoming of a senior lawyer." They were also seen holding placards that read, "Stop investigation violence, save communal harmony, save Manipur, stop attack on Honorable Manipur High Court, book Colin Golsalves, senior advocate." Speaking in this regard, President of Amba Puyam Tomcha said senior advocate Golsalves has been spreading lies regarding the ongoing violence in Manipur. He is currently fighting for the cause of Kuki community by spreading many one-sided lies, triggering communal atrocities and violence among communities in Manipur.
High Court is dominated. High Court is mutat given up for any kind of Sigumba Amnako, Mahang with the Wang Anselapa, Manipur, Legeriva, communal harmony to Wabiaba, Monga Mahana, Gila, Kuki, things that the same now. Instead of Guna Novena Tori, but Makata Television, I think Parata beginning Novena Tori, but Tabuche, Sarupsiko, Yam Hengana, I think it's something with the Venica, and a boy Amnako, militant over Monga, Yam instigated to Nangi, the same, Masiki, Doctor, prepared the Natogania from Silver, Matunga, concern or to visiting High Court, the Supreme Court, the Central Government, the Manipur Government, the Sigumba, Masaki, Sena, Bokadamana, Smina, Toyabra, because it is saying now, Mayam, Manipur, Yam, the Luraba, Masila Magna, or the part of Mayam, Iran, just had a pay and Iran, like it may choose the Mongo to say, Masito, Tohun Bigano.